morning, Pistol. Good morning, girl. We are camped at Flagler Beach, Florida at Gamble Rogers Campground, and today's the day we take this little girl into the vet. She is going to be there all day. They are doing a little growth removal and aspirating a few other bumps and lumps they want to check out and make sure everything's okay with those. So she's gonna be gone all day. We don't know what to do with ourselves. Yeah.
Try not to worry.
I know. We're dropping her off at 8:30 and then we don't get her again until about 5:30. But after the vet has completed the procedure, she will call. So just, but of course they have to send the tissue out to be tested. So we won't know the results of that for a while, I think. But anyway, that's what's going on today. She don't know what she's in for. Oh, it's gonna be an adventure, girl. I'm sorry. Okay, we just dropped her off. It was so sad.
It's okay.
I don't like it.
She did not want us to leave.
No, she did not. It's probably like dropping your toddler off in daycare, but I just don't like her being put under. The rest I can handle, but we don't know what to do, so we're gonna go get coffee. We're like, what do we do with our day now? We don't have Puppy with us. We got the call to pick up the girl. We did get a call midway through while they were doing the surgery. They were doing just a polish on her teeth, and they saw she had 5 teeth that needed extracted, which I don't even know she had 5 teeth left, because I said teeth. I didn't know she had 5 teeth left because she had a significant amount taken out a couple years ago, like some big molars and stuff. So she could be pretty toothless. I've got some food softening for her in the fridge right now. Anyway, she did good. She is ready for pickup early. We're getting her at 2 o'clock, so I'm pretty happy about that. Let's go get that girl. We got the baby. She's a little bit in the spirit world. But she's comfortable. They said she did so good. Like, she was so stoic. She, like, even before their surgery, she was, you know, in her little crate or wherever they put her.
And it was only a couple loose molars in the back that they had to pull.
Yeah, she had a couple loose teeth, so they pulled those. Well, they pulled, I think, 2 in the front and 1 molar. I don't know. I haven't looked in her mouth yet. Poor thing. Anyway, so I'm going to be on nurse duty next couple days. She'll be on soft food, and we have to come back to this area in a couple weeks to get stitches removed where they took that tumor out. And again, I think I mentioned we won't know the results of that tumor until we get the test back in like 10 to 14 days. So we'll be sure to let you guys know what that looks like. But she's home sweet home with her family. She'll be eating some green beans in no time.
She says, is this real life?
Poor girl. All right, we'll catch you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on.
For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and carry on.